hne kasngi ka kanhon jong ka normally infra private limited kalala ban penpoy ya kawai ka jatiar kabal tip kerteng kum ka doctor oxygen kabade ban penmi ya ka oxygen na ka benta ki to ki breu ki bapang ki bastom ki badan kam ya ka oxygen kham tam hakum ka ne ka por jong ka khlam covid khat khandai kat kum ka jinget ho jong uba bat hok normally ubalong try jong ka te ka normally infra private limited ulaong ka ne ka dei ka sien ka baningkong ban penpoy ya ka te ka jatiar oxygen sha ka ne ka jilla meghalaya bat kum ju ha ka not easy barok kawai kat kum ka jingyo lom jingtep ki jilla ki bapanan kam ya ka ne ka jatiar ki long ka Maharashtra bat ka Kolkata bat menta la poiru ha ka ne ka jilla meghalaya lingba ka company normally infra private limited ha ka ne ka singi pli pai ba ya ka te ka tiar oxygen laidon ban sakhi langru dau ba Alberto nongsi kum u president bat u Bharat Pratik kum u development consultants u bala pas na ka IIM Kolkata
Bapak Ibu lihat company dokter oksigen ka produk bagi ngayo kan lima berpunya aneh apa jalan ini apa mengalia ka kecing terekam tu ne yang ni produk kalau mau hilang produk ka film ka electricity film ka light kini di produk beliau yang box dia tu dengan chemical company dari oksigen powder ini dari oksigen powder A oksigen powder B dan demonstrasi ini yang ini pinta juga ini itu semua first यहाँ पर क्या सोचो kadang kalau level mana ini sebenarnya ini kadang likely portion A B C portion A kadang level portion B kadang level portion C kadang level यहाँ पर है कब तो level level sebelah mana produk Next हम है वो ऑक्सीजन पाउडर A ऑक्सीजन पाउडर A है वो ऑक्सीजन पाउडर B ठीक है ना बोलो That's how the oxygen is generated. Matang ibu kepoh ibu dengar container. Ada yang tahu? Ini di kami ya.
Oxygen has been a major problem during the COVID crisis, and a lot of people have died because of shortage of oxygen. Getting cylinders is difficult. Cylinders are short shelf life. Stocking cylinders are a big problem also. So this problem is faced across the country and across the world. In South Korea, a portable oxygen generator had been developed in which you don't need any electricity, you don't need any cylinders, and it just generates oxygen through a very simple process of water and two sachets. Two sachets are oxygen sachets, and this will give you oxygen for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. The purity of the oxygen is 99%. Now, this has been tested, tried, brought from South Korea, tried in India. 400 pieces have been sold, distributed in Maharashtra with high success in other states also. And it is a lifesaver. Anyone can just put water, 2 sachets and get oxygen right away till 99% purity of oxygen. This was not available in the Northeast, and right now what is known as Dr. Oxygen Nano Generators will be available throughout the 8 states of Northeast, with this office being the distribution center for the Northeast. So we say that not only in COVID, but in other circumstances where there are accidents, where there are childbirths, where there are heart attacks, where immediate oxygen is required, it is very simple to carry. You see that box, it's got everything inside one small box. It's not even 1 feet by 1 feet, and very light. Anyone can use it, even a child can use it, and it saves lives. It's a lifesaver. Not only in COVID, but in any other emergency circumstances, this product is a lifesaver. And according to my opinion, it is a must-have at all, and especially in the Northeast where it's hilly areas, it's forests, it's difficult roads. Transporting oxygen cylinders, transporting concentrators. Concentrators are useless because electricity is a problem, but even transporting cylinders and all, it's difficult. This anyone can just carry in their hand, take it and give oxygen. Within 2 minutes, a patient is getting oxygen and a life is saved.